To install app files in POCO M8 Pro 5G, we're going to start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to locate the privacy protection. When you enter it, scroll down to the special permissions right here. That way we'll be able to find the install unknown apps, and it's right there. You can click on it. That way you'll be able to see every app that can try to install unknown apps, that mean app files, and you can select, for example, Chrome. Now, if the source is allowed on this specific app, you should be able to open your Chrome, navigate to the downloaded files, and then find the app file that you've downloaded. And I'm just showing you an example of Google Chrome. If you have any other app that you want to use to install app files, just do the same thing. So in the downloads, find the app file, click on it, and then install it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.